We are very pleased to have with us Mr. Richard Cheong, Fund Manager from PhillipCapital Management, to share with us on Phillip Master Equity Growth Fund. Richard, how would you describe your investment philosophy or style of your funds, whether you do a top-down or bottom-up approach?
We use a mixture of both strategy, which lean towards bottom-up.
All right.
So we prefer stocks, with good earnings visibility, sustainable growth, and good business model.
All right.
Plus, because it's so difficult to predict what will happen to the global economy, especially given the global uncertainty now. Okay, our strategy leans towards bottom-up, where we believe stock selection is important. So our stock selection criteria are made up of a company that has good earnings visibility, sustainable growth, where valuation is decent,
right,
not excessive, and good management. The only time we use top down is for tactical reason, switching between one stocks to another, or bringing down equity exposure.
Okay. All right. Thank you. What should investors expect, or type of investors would be suitable for your fund?
As the name speaks for itself, is a growth fund.
All right.
The fund is suitable for people who are looking for capital gain rather than income distribution.
Okay.
We bulk of our funds invested in growth stocks. Okay. So this fund is suitable for people who are looking for capital appreciation over medium to long term.
All right.
When we say medium, you are looking at duration of more than a year.
All right. Thanks for sharing. And what is your outlook on the market, and how would you and your team navigate through it?
The index has actually scaled new high, right? Yeah, but the external environment is still very uncertain.
Right.
Europe is still in the woods. The European government is still looking for a cure.
Right.
To the debt crisis, and we have got China, India, the emerging market, which are slowing down, and then where the U.S. economy is still very fragile. So as far as we are concerned, we are still cautious, as there's still a lot of uncertainty in the global environment. But as far as our strategy is concerned, it boils down to stock selection.
All right. That's interesting to know.
What is important is stock selection. So we prefer company where revenue is domestic driven. We try to avoid stocks that depend a lot on exports. We prefer stocks that give you good net profit margin. I say strong earning visibility, strong order book. So if you're in this kind of stocks, whether the global environment is rosy or gloomy, we are still alright over the longer term.
All right, with that, I'd like to thank Richard Cheong for sharing with us on behalf of Phillip Mutual Berhad on Phillip Master Equity Growth Fund. Thank you.